Brakes get kicked, tires get smoked, and fuel gets burnt.
So, we're back. Gatebil Rudskogen again. This time around it's August. It's definitely colder and rainier, but I guess that's the Scandinavian weather sometimes. So just now we're going out for practice. The car is acting up a bit. We have some small tweaks, a bit unstable on idle and stuff. So something, maybe an ignition coil or injector or something is messing about a bit. But right now it's going fine, so hopefully it works for practice. So let's go out and have some fun.
Så där.
Så där. Har du byta eller?
Byta rådelaget.
Ja. So guys, we just had practice. Felt pretty confident from the start. It was a wet session, but the car feels good and we got the line pretty much dialed in the 2-3 runs. So yeah, that's good. The car works now. I'm doing some content for Instagram and Facebook while the guys are doing a bolt check and making the car ready for next session. So good start today. Let's go.
Nästa pass.
Retard! Yeah. We had a wet session, the first one. I just went out, checked out the track. It seems to dry up a bit, so we put on the dry setup and hope for the best. No more rain today. We do a bolt check because I don't want to lose the car in pieces on track.
But we want the guys to have work.
Yeah, but if they do work, then they get hot dogs. Do you want a hot dog? Then tape this. This is how you do korv I bröd på svenska. Also known as hot dog. It's Swedish snus for Karel Sila Motorsport. Not me.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like
off the track before qualification. The car feels good, but it's a bit sketchy on idle, and it's consuming a bit of water. So we might have a blown head gasket, so we're keeping a close eye on the engine, and hopefully it makes it through. So yeah, we think that the setup we have now feels really good, and if I just keep it together, I think we can qualify quite high. So fingers crossed.
Will you find me? Hope you find me. When the sunrise, when the sun.
Struggled to get third gear in time for the initiation, so I went a bit. I had to do a e-brake pull instead of a flick, so not perfect, but now I know what I have to do better for qualification. So yeah, let's go. Well, we just came in from qualifying and it didn't go to plan. First run out, I didn't manage to get the speed I wanted, so when I hit third gear, I didn't get the line correctly through the first turn. This set me up completely wrong for the whole track, and that meant that we did a lot of corrections throughout the track, and was hoping for the second one to be better. When I sent it into the second run, I hit the inner clip in the first corner. That set me up bad for the rest of the track as well. So we didn't get the commitment and flow that we wanted. So I'm pretty sure, I'm kind of positive that we didn't make qualifying, but yeah, so that sucks because the car was working good in the circumstances, but yeah, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So I have to go back to Gothenburg. We're probably gonna go and do some drifting tomorrow on the drift show sessions, but after that we're gonna go back to Gothenburg and prep the car for a bit of a event we have with MSI Gaming tomorrow. They have a small event, so yeah, it's gonna be a good Sunday anyway. So huge thanks to all the guys in the team. You killed it, you did an awesome job with the car, and Joachim as well for doing the media. So let's take some beers, eat some tacos, and have a good Friday evening.